Hello everyone, welcome to another new video of tutorials. Today's topic of discussion is how to make abstract nouns from adjectives. In my last video, I have discussed about the kinds of nouns, proper, common, collective and abstract. So today we will see that what is abstract noun. The noun, which is usually the name of quality, action, state, is called an abstract noun. Example: kindness, judgment, sickness, laughter, and so on. Now, let us see that in English language, how a same word can be used sometimes as an adjective and sometimes as an abstract noun. Now see, brave. Brave is the adjective, but bravery is abstract noun. Deep, depth. Strong, strength. Young, youth. Poor, poverty. Wise, wisdom. Honest, honesty. Bright, brightness. Dark, darkness. Good, goodness. Long, length. Free, freedom. Now, these are only 12 examples of changing from adjective to abstract noun. Now, in my next video, I will bring some more example of abstract noun, the use of abstract noun in the sentences, and along with that the list of collective noun. To get those videos, please subscribe my channel and let me know that have you liked it or not through your valuable comments. Till then,